Hello you lot. Firstly, thanks for tuning in to watch my latest episode. And secondly, thanks for supporting me with my videos and my project. As you may know, it's been a little while since I did my last video, but my life is going through chaos at the minute. So as I had this, it's a very little box, I thought I would share with you what it is. So let's get it open and show you what I'm going to be doing on the car later today. Now I bought these from a reputable dealer on eBay that's also a YouTuber that said that it was UK stock and it would be available within 3 days. Apparently they are actually shipped from China and they're not held as stock in the UK, and it actually took 2 weeks. But I've got them, so I'm going to fit them to the car. I did pay a premium price to obviously deal with somebody in the UK. Maybe I should have saved myself a tenner and bought them from a Chinese distributor. But anyway, these are what they are. And if you don't know what they are, they're actually black indicators, and these are the ones that go in the door mirrors. Now, I don't mind the ones on the door mirrors, but I saw a car that actually had these ones fitted, and I thought, yeah, they look so much better. And especially with a black car, the black wing mirror with the white inserts, it kind of breaks up the mirror a little bit. And I am potentially looking at getting the car wrapped, but that's for another video. I thought, you know, I'll get some of these, even at a premium price. So anyway, let's go outside before it gets too dark and fit into the car. There we go, so I'm outside, and as you can see, this is the indicator piece I'm on about. They do tend to yellow a bit. I have tried polishing it, but let me show you. You can't really see it, can you? There we go, yeah. So that's the bit I'm going to change, and I believe you just unclip this bit, which will probably result in it being broken, and then push the new one in. So let's get to it. So I've gone and got my tools. These obviously, as I explained before, they're all made with carrots, which I've baked in the sun, and yeah, you use them as like plastic trim removers. So I'm going to try and do that, probably with this one. There we go. Dead simple. In at the bottom, lifted it off. And yeah, I'm thinking about getting some yellow ones of these, but let's have a look. But this is the bit I'm taking out. So I think on this bit there's a little tag in here that you literally clip in, and that's it. That bit comes out. This, I don't know if it's a rotator or a pull. It's actually a little switch connector inside. So that one may... oh yeah, probably a bit hard to see at distance, but there's a little tag there that has to be pushed in. So I'm going to go and get a little tool to do that. There we go, back with a very fine pointed screwdriver. And hopefully if my chunky hands don't get in the way, I can push that tag down and then release the unit. So let's go and get the new one, give this a quick wipe because it's a bit dusty, and then yeah, get it fitted. So, like a true professional, you don't actually need to disconnect this plug. And as I don't mind showing my mistakes because it's a learning process, you basically remove this connector from the unit there and then remove the amber 501 bulb, and a new plug goes in there, which is really good. So let's go and get the new one and plug it in. So that's the new unit that goes in the bottom of there. There doesn't seem to be a positive or negative, but I guess it's a continuous circuit. So that gets pushed into there like so, and these you tuck away inside like that, and then that bit clips in there. And that bit carefully places there, like so. Now I don't know if it will work as a singular. Yeah, it does. That's cool then. So I'm just going to make sure that's all good, which it looks like it is because that spring clip's held in there. That sits there. And then obviously top in and bottom on. There we go, look, a completely blick unit. Much better. There we go, this side's done, and that side's done. A very quick and simple job. Yeah, so rather pleased with my outlay of money. I do like the way it does this, but I also just prefer the black look of when they're not on. Yeah, which is really good. There we go. So when you look at the side profile of the car, I think it just looks much better. Much better, which is good. So again, a very quick video and a very easy thing to do. As I say, the prices vary. I paid about 25 quid for mine, thinking I'd get them within a couple of days, not a couple of weeks, but you know, they're here, they're installed and they work, so yeah, hunt around, you'll find some good prices. I do think I may change the bulbs. I've got a lot of people recommending another type of bulb to fit to the car, and I may do that because the back ones, despite me changing them, they're just not orangey enough for me. So yeah, that's a future video to come. Parts have been ordered. I'm changing a few things around in my own life, so yeah, hopefully I can get back to doing my car. But anyway, thanks for watching. Again, a really quick video, and I hope to bring you more videos very soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the subscribe.